This is very close to where we all live. Quite a few years ago, we did Campfire at the cross here. We had 4 different campers that weekend. There's Timmy. This is the whole entire campsite that can be rented. There is even free wood. This is a beautiful, beautiful spot.